look like y'all out here tearing up stuff, man. Oh, man. You want to shout out y'all Instagram, bro?
Dallas, Texas, rs.custom.
What is going on, YouTube, man? And we are back with a banger video, guys. And in today's video, man, it is the day after we made it to Texas. So we are in the hotel right now. Today is the day, man, that we go get the mod done to the car. So here in about 30 minutes, we're about to head over to RS Customs and they're about to take out the headliner in the car. But if this is your first video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel because we are on the road to 2K, guys, if you didn't know. So we're gonna keep climbing and climb all the way till we get to the top, no cap. And we're gonna get straight into this video, guys, because you know we don't hold you up too long. We get straight to the action. Let's get it. I'm so excited, man. I cannot wait. If y'all can tell in the last video, I was really super excited when we were headed down here, man. I was just like, I am ready to get this done. I'm probably not gonna ever turn it off, and it's gonna be ready for the Daryl Starberg. So if y'all know, we've been going to the Daryl Starberg for the last 3 years. So this year we're gonna have the lights on, we're gonna have shirts out there, we're gonna have stickers. We're gonna bring more to the table this year, guys, because it's a big show, and hopefully we're supposed to be doing a burnout show there this year. So y'all just stay tuned, man. 2023 is literally about to be lit, man. I'm telling you, 2023, we are going crazy. I promise y'all, man. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, you're missing out, man, because I promise you we are going crazy all 2023. Literally all 2023, not just 6 months of 2023. We turn up the whole year, y'all. So just stay tuned, man, because we about to have some fun. Dallas, Texas, and we got baby over there. Let's give her a cold start, y'all. She's about to sound so good inside this garage.
Ooh, this expensive.
Alrighty, guys, and finally we made it out here to the destination, and they have already started the process. They're taking out the headliner right now in the kitty cat, literally ripping the kitty cat apart. It's low-key breaking my heart, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. It look like y'all out here tearing up stuff, man. Nah, they getting to it though, y'all. It's that trust the process right now, man. They're getting it out right now. I think they're about to pull it out. And it's out. It's the headliner, y'all. That's the headliner. Low-key, I wish I had that suede though. That suede go crazy. I seen that you did a suede. You offer that package?
What, suede?
Yeah, like a suede package?
Yeah, it costs extra.
Yeah?
You wanna show some other one?
You got one?
Yeah, we got 2 of them right now. We put the suede on.
He about to show us the suede because I don't know if y'all know about the suede, but it's like we about to go inside real quick, y'all. Check it out. Let's see.
We ain't finished with this one. This one came out of BMW. They got
Oh yeah, that go crazy.
That's black suede in the Volkswagen.
That go crazy. I can't lie to you.
Yeah, we got red, gray. We got
Y'all got red?
Different colors. Yeah.
Bet, that's a bet. So my boy, he want to do that suede. That's why I said that.
For real?
They go crazy. Yeah, he got a red eye. They go crazy. I can't lie to you. Mondo, when you see this, bro, they gonna get you right, man. They gonna get you right. I ain't gonna lie to you. They just now took it out the car. Let me show y'all what it looked like without the headliner in there real quick. Oh yeah, this look crazy. Oh man. They got it. They got the kitty cat looking crazy, y'all. But I promise you it's for a good reason, man. This turnout is finna go crazy. I can't lie. Alrighty guys, we are back inside the car now, and as y'all see, we have no headliner in here, and the car just absolutely looks crazy, man. But they got the headliner out, and they said that they're gonna try to have it done by tomorrow. So I told them not to rush it though, because I'd rather it be done right than them try to rush it and then something goes wrong and then I have to drive another 4 hours back all the way back down here. So they're gonna work on it. They're gonna give me a call when it's done. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on when they do give me the call, so we can pull back over there and they can install it and y'all can see what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, and it is the next day now. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just got woken up out of my sleep. He called me and told me it's ready. I'm telling y'all, this is literally about to make this car pop so much more, man. 'Cause these are interior mods. This is like one of those detail mods, y'all. Let me let y'all look at it real quick. One last time before it transforms into a whole new inside, man. It's not gonna look nothing like this anymore. So let's get it, man. All right, y'all, so we made it out here finally. Got that 20-30 minute drive out the way. As y'all see, the headliner is still out. Man, they are about to install it. I'm waiting on him to come outside, and then the process begins, man. I don't know why my camera is not focusing, so I don't know what's going on, man. But I think it's because it's super dark. But it's about to start, man. The process is about to begin, so y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in here in like 2 seconds when he comes back out here and starts to install it. All right, y'all. We're putting the headliner back inside the car now. About to hook it up. I'm going ahead and get it installed. Get the lights hooked up and whatnot. We're trying to squeeze it in there right now. But yeah, it's about to really turn this thing into a whole different car. They finally got it in there, y'all. Getting the lights and the interior headlights hooked up now. And then they're gonna hook up the starlights, and then I think they gotta clip off the ends again, and it'll be ready to go, man. Say something to the channel, man.
Man, y'all know what it is, man. It's BMG over here, 23. Yeah, we live in effect with it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we on the road to 2K, man. Tell them to like and subscribe to the channel.
Oh yeah, man. Y'all go tune in to the SRTG too, man. We got a lot of content coming in, man. Can't say too much, man. Y'all gonna see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So they're almost done, y'all. They're hooking up the wires right now, and then it's pretty much complete, man. Pretty much complete, man. You want to shout out your Instagram, bro?
Shout out on Instagram.
Where they can come find y'all at? Where they can come get the work at?
Dallas, Texas, rs.custom.
rs.custom, man. Hit them up. I low-key thought they was a scammer at first, I ain't gonna lie to you. But they straight, man. They straight, bro. They in there getting it right. They're getting that ground hooked up, and then gotta cut all these other wires off, and then it's gonna be complete, y'all. All right, y'all, so they got the headliner back in there. Got the stars in there, now they cutting the strings. Tell me what y'all think, man. Tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna show y'all the shooting stars here in a minute once they get done cutting the strings off, though. But yeah, y'all, they got it in there. And just like that, guys, we're back at the hotel, and as you guys can see, we got the lights all installed and it is complete, guys. And I have to say that I am so happy with the purchase, man, because it made the inside look so much better, man. Like, it brought so much lighting in here, and it now is a vibe inside the car too, not just on the outside, man. It looks good on the inside too. So, man, I gotta give a huge, big shout out to RS Customs for hooking me up and getting me right, man. They did a wonderful job, man. So big shout out to them. I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the description if you want to get a hold of them and get some work done yourself. Like I said, they do like underglow, interior lights, star lights, whatever you pretty much need lighting wise, they're gonna be able to do it. So if you guys want to get in touch with them, I'm gonna have their Instagram in the comment section. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because we are on the road to 2K subs, y'all. So we're gonna keep climbing and climbing all the way till we get to the top, no cap. And I'm gonna catch y'all on my next YouTube video. We out.